What's up, guys? My name's Johnny. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way to replace the crankshaft position sensor on this 2007 Jeep Compass. Check it out, guys. I swear this is the easiest way to do this job. First thing you want to do is turn these plastic knobs right here. That way you can release this whole plastic part. Just pull it right out. Comes right out like that. All right. After that, guys, go ahead and loosen up the terminals on the battery, positive and negative. After you loosen them, go ahead and disconnect it just like that. All right, once you do that, come on over to the plastic part right here. It comes right off, guys. Just lift it up, pull it up. It's being held down by 4 of these things here. I'm missing 1, so I only have 3, but there should be 4. All right, guys, check this out. Trip out on this. A mirror. That's right, guys. I was able to do it with a mirror. No need to jack the car up. No need to remove the filter air box. Just with a mirror, guys. Check it out. You got those 2 bolts there. One of them is a 10 millimeter. The one at the bottom is a 13 millimeter. And there is another one up top that's also a 10 mil. I'll show you right now, but check it out, guys. On the left side of the screen, you see that that bolt. It's a 10 millimeter. Right there on the left side of the screen in the center. And then I went ahead and took it out using the mirror with the ratchet, an extension, and a 10 millimeter socket. You guys can see there, I took it out. That's a 10 millimeter bolt. The next one we gotta do is a 13 millimeter. So same thing, ratchet, extension, 13 millimeter socket, got it out using the mirror. No need to jack the car up. Check it out, guys. Both of them removed. Now there is one more. That one's right up top. It's a 10 millimeter. It's easy to get to. That one's just easy, take it out, that's it. These 2 though are the difficult ones, but a lot of people go under the car. They have to lift it up, jack it up, put it on jack stands. No need for that. Unbolt them like this. Take out that guard there, the heat guard, I believe it's called. And there it is, guys. You can see the crankshaft position sensor, and it's being held down with a 10 millimeter bolt, and it has wires connected to it. So just unplug the wires, remove the 10 millimeter bolt, and pull out the sensor. All right, guys, I unplugged the wires. Now it still has that 10 millimeter bolt I'm talking about, so let's get that out. Yeah, the wire's disconnected. Now I got that bolt out. It's also 10 millimeter. Using the mirror, guys. I'm doing this using the mirror. All right, so now we just have the sensor sitting in there. Just reach in there, grab it, pull it out. Easy. Look, I unplug the wires. I remove the 10 millimeter bolt. Just grab the sensor now and pull it out. There it is, guys. There's the old one. There it is, and we have the new one. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and put that new one in there. Man, I can't believe how easy this is, guys. The mirror. All right, guys, let's go ahead and put that new one in there. All right, just put it back in the way the old one was. Just like that. All right. Yep, looks good to me. All right, guys, so now grab that 10 millimeter bolt. There it is. Let's go ahead and put that in. Once we put that in, tighten it down with that ratchet, extension, and 10 millimeter socket. Cool, tighten that down. After you do that, don't forget to plug in the wires. Here we go. Let's go ahead and plug them in. All right. So once you tighten down that 10 millimeter bolt, plug in the wires just like that. Cool. All right, guys, everything else is just put it back together. I swear, guys, this is the easiest way to do this job. I'm telling you. There's one more thing you have to do, though. This procedure right here. Don't forget to do that. Thank me by liking, sharing, putting something in the comments. And always, guys, don't forget to have a good day and subscribe.